Photograph means light drawing. These photographs also include drawings of light. Part Jungian archetype, part Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the images in my series Refraction explore the radical reconsiderations of reality humanity has been undertaking in the last century. Throughout the ages, in many cultures, light has been used as a powerful symbol. To this day, the word light suggests many things, including enlightenment, wisdom, truth, information, purity, energy, spirituality, inspiration, life, divinity, infinity, and the eternal. The study of the physical phenomenon of light is equally rich and mysterious. Light makes the material world visible, but remains invisible without it. Light paradoxically exhibits the properties of both a particle, a thing with one position and mass, and a wave, an energetic field of probability. As something approaches the speed of light, the fastest thing in the known universe, its mass becomes infinite, and for objects around it, time slows down. So how do photons move? If you think you don't understand, you're beginning to. These images, this poetry of light, embrace the fullness of this mystery. It is fitting that at their most fundamental level, these digital images are created from, stored by, and retrieved with numbers. These images search with number. Number has always been seen as a key to understanding the universe, a window into nature. And there's more than one way to do that. Geometry, from the ancient Greek earth measurement, makes visible the unfolding of number in space and time for scientific understanding. Sacred geometry attaches symbolic meaning to number for philosophic contemplation. These images embrace both modalities, the physical and the psychic, and their mutual interactions. Pieces in a puzzle, none of these images stand for the whole, like fractals containing clues to the nature of a much larger pattern. When the separate images are considered together or more fully integrated, vision grows, one that defies completion as new material continually emerges. A majority of my images are created and presented in a way that is not site-specific. These unplaced places could be virtually anywhere on Earth. Like a holograph, they're meant to be seen as being simultaneously nowhere and everywhere. This universalization of locations suggests that we are not as remote or separate from these places and states as we might think. The drawn pattern in these images are indeterminate. I present multiple variations simultaneously, and collectors select how many and which variations are produced, taking an active hand in how each image is finally manifested for themselves. The observer influences the observed. Perhaps the real event is not the object, but the event of perception. But how can you have one without the other?